Good day, folks. Hope everyone's doing fine out there. Just a little diorama I'm working on here. It's, if you remember the 6x6 cargo truck build, finally got 95%. I'm just working on the weathering now. But I think I'm going to set it up as a diorama here along with this Jeep. And got a lot of some like water effects there. Still have a lot of details to add, garbage and can add a bunch of stuff, you know, in the cargo, since it is a cargo truck, by the way. After all, I should say. So some bushes. I need to make up some trees and such. So it's just a current project other than the model railroad stuff, and still working on the Samba bus, and also the you probably can't see down there, but the B-29 for the SMA Big Spring Contest. So I got plenty keeping me going there. So yeah, this is gonna be put the finishing touches on the weathering and stuff on both of these vehicles, and the weathering and details, and get some trees and stuff and some more foliage onto this diorama, and get that wrapped up. So I think that the B-29's coming along pretty well. It's proven challenging. I got a, you can see over there, I got a container for stuff, but I got working on the bombs, getting them all sorted out. Just fixing up the seam lines and getting them all sanded and smoothed out. Got a couple done. There's 12 of them, so just kind of doing that, you know, in between other stuff when paint's drying. So alright, folks, hope everyone's doing well out there in Styrene Land. So until next time, remember, be kind to one another and keep the glue on the styrene.